Hello, today I'll show you how to port forward your Minecraft server. Now, what you need are two programs. First of all, you need this program called Portforward Static IP. It's free, so you don't need to worry about cracking it or anything. This is how the program looks like. You just need to click here. If it says dynamic, make it static. If it says static and says here make it dynamic, you don't need to click it. You can just uninstall the program. I'm just gonna click make it static. Now it's gonna set up my static IP to the recommended value. I don't want that. I want to enter my own static IP. I'm gonna select one because that's usually not used up. All the other ones you don't need to worry about. You just need to click apply and then click apply changes. Now it's reinstalling, sorry. Now it will disconnect you for a second usually if you're like on Skype or something, but usually you won't even notice it. Like sometimes if you have a nice connection, then you won't even disconnect. Okay, so now as you can see, this IP address is currently static. Sorry for blurring out everything, because I don't really want anyone to know my details. Okay, so now you're done with that. Now, what you need to, next up, you need to go to this IP, to this website, noip.com, create a user, and go to hosts and redirects, and add a host. I'm just gonna add Bergru, okay, and redirect me. But here, if you remember what you put in as your static IP, that's what you're going to put in. Okay. Okay. So now you just click update host, and you're done with the Internet Explorer. Now, Internet Explorer, you're done with web browsing. Now you open up DUC. Wait, let me refresh. Okay, I had a different one before. So, I'm just gonna click this, save. Okay, see how my IP is here? Okay, that's good. Now you need to go into File, Preferences. You need to set it to this, not detect. Use the IP of my local network adapter. This is very important. If you don't select this, it won't work. Okay, now you can close this. So it's still open. Now you need to go and search Windows Firewall with Advanced Security. This might sound complicated, but this is really simple. You want to inbound rule. It's important that it's inbound. You click new rule, and then you select port. Now, the port you specified, it needs to be TCP. Like the port you're port forwarding on. If you're only using one host on your computer, it's by default to 5565. So just enter that. You need to click next. Next again, next. You can name it like Minecraft server. Okay. So I have two of these. So I'm just gonna delete this one. Okay. So now you're basically done. Now, if you've just port forwarded your router but you haven't restarted it, it's important that you restart it now. Just turn it off and turn it on, or if you can access it from the inside and then decide to restart it, that's even better. Okay, so now you're basically done. All you need to open up now is your Minecraft server. As you can see, this is a normal Minecraft server, nothing about it. I can start the server. I'll just stop it now. Here in server properties, these are currently my properties. See, nothing fancy. I was playing Herobrine's Return with a friend, so that's the only thing I changed. enable command blocks. So for that, nothing different really. See, server IP is blank. This is the default. Everything is default, basically. And I change the max layers and view this. So that's it. Well, yeah. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please leave a like. I really appreciate it. And if you need any help, just post a link or private message me on YouTube, and I'll try to return to you as soon as possible. Bye.